Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 14th of June 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.17%, settling the day at 38,647.10 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,665.90, rising 0.33%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,678.96 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,976.59. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,401, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII sold 3,033 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Ambuja Cements to acquire Penna Cement Industries for 10,422 crore rupees. Vodafone Idea Board approves 2,458 rupees crore fundraising via share sale to Nokia, Ericsson. GIC affiliates complete sale of units worth $704 million in IRB Infra Trust to Ferrovial Sintra. Now talking about global aspects, Chery Auto, China's largest automaker by export volume, expects its planned production in Europe to help offset the impact of European Union tariffs on imports of China-made electric vehicles. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US jumped by 13,000 to 242,000, well above market expectations of 225,000. Factory gate prices in the US went down 0.2% more in May, compared with market expectations of a 0.1% increase and after a 0.5% rise in April. WTI fell 0.2% to $78.62 a barrel, while Brent fell 0.4% to $82.27 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.84. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.25%. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, commenced the day at all-time highs. This surge was propelled by the positive performance of global stocks, driven by a favorable US inflation report. The report heightened expectations of a potential interest rate cut in the USA, contributing to the market's bullish sentiment. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, conclude the day with a firm note at 76,810.90 and 23,398.90 respectively. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, it appears probable that the index will continue to adhere to this range-bound behavior, with movements expected to hover within the boundaries of 22,800 to 23,600. From 22,800 to 23,000 will act as short-term support, while 23,500 to 23,600 will act as the hurdle for further upside. For Bank Nifty, the key support levels are positioned at 49,000 and 48,500, while significant resistance lies within the 50,200 to 50,600 zone. Currently, the market appears to be consolidating, with 50,200 serving as an immediate resistance and 49,200 as a nearby support level. Stocks on radar are Bharat Rasayan, Renuka, GRSE, DBL, Aegis Logistics. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.